Welcome DEKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Forget the clunky question and answer AI assistants you know. What if healthcare AI could actually think ahead, understand your needs before you even state them, and actively guide your health journey? That's the revolution we're diving into today. So, what's the big deal? We're drowning in health data from wearables, EHRs, you name it. But our current AI systems are basically digital parrots, repeating back keywords without grasping the real story. They miss the subtle cues, the hidden risks, the patient's true intent. Plus, with an aging population and chronic disease burdens skyrocketing, relying on passive tools is like trying to put out a forest fire with a cup of water. The human resources just aren't there to provide that continuous, personalized care everyone needs. We need something smarter, something that doesn't just react but anticipates. That's where our 会医医护 system comes in, aiming for a complete paradigm shift towards proactive, intelligent medical services. How does this magic happen? At its core is the DIKWP model, Professor Duan Yukong's groundbreaking 5-layer framework for artificial consciousness. Think of it as building a brain for AI. First, data layer senses everything: heart rate, blood pressure, patient chat logs. Then, information layer extracts meaning, like identifying symptoms from text. Knowledge layer uses medical reasoning to connect dots, inferring potential diagnosis. Wisdom layer makes decisions, weighing risks and benefits, planning the best course of action. And finally, the intent layer, the highest level, defines the ultimate purpose, like prevent complications or ensure patient safety, guiding all lower layers and ensuring ethical alignment. Crucially, it's not a one-way street. There are constant feedback loops. Higher layers can correct lower ones, and changes at the base ripple upwards, creating a dynamic, self-correcting, almost conscious system. It's about moving from simple data processing to genuine understanding and purposeful action. Okay, so DIKWP sounds cool, but what makes this specific system stand out? First, that active artificial consciousness we just talked about is not just mimicking, it's genuinely goal-driven. Second, we're using semantic math, formalizing how knowledge evolves within the system. This isn't some black box. Every step is mathematically grounded, reducing those pesky hallucinations and making the AI's reasoning transparent and verifiable. Third, the intent engine allows us to deeply understand human intent and generate our own helpful responses, enabling proactive communication, not just reactive answers. Fourth, robust knowledge fusion and adaptive decision-making, pulling together diverse data sources and using multi-objective optimization to balance complex factors like patient preference, risk, and efficacy. Finally, it's built as a modular SaaS platform, meaning we can offer specific DIKWP capabilities, like semantic understanding or intent analysis, as services via APIs, making it incredibly flexible for integration into existing healthcare ecosystems. Let's get practical. Where does this tech actually make a difference? Imagine a diabetic patient whose glucose levels spike unexpectedly. Our system doesn't wait for a doctor's visit. It actively monitors, detects the anomaly, understands the context, and proactively suggests dietary adjustments or reminds them to exercise. For elderly individuals living alone, it's more than just a sensor. It's a digital companion, monitoring vital signs, detecting falls, initiating conversations to check on their well-being, and even offering gentle encouragement. It can identify early signs of burnout or anxiety in busy professionals and offer tailored advice. In hospitals, it assists clinicians by providing real-time diagnostic suggestions, understanding the unspoken concerns in patient interactions, and optimizing treatment plans. Even in rehabilitation, it acts as a smart coach, adjusting exercises based on performance and flagging potential risks. The value proposition is clear: enhanced personal care, improved clinical outcomes, and significant efficiency gains for healthcare providers. Now, is this just theoretical? Absolutely not. We have a clear roadmap. Phase 1. Nail down the core technologies: semantic parsing, medical knowledge graphs, multimodal data integration, leveraging Professor Duan's extensive research and patents. Phase 2. Build and rigorously test a prototype with real users in controlled settings. Phase 3. Expand into diverse scenarios, partnering with hospitals and care providers. Phase 4. Push for industry standards and scale up. We're not starting from scratch, we're building on a solid foundation of proven research and intellectual property. Looking further ahead, the vision is ambitious, integrating cutting-edge large language models within the DIKWP framework for even more natural interaction. Exploring advanced interfaces like brain-computer integration, and fostering an open ecosystem through our SaaS model. This isn't just about developing another app, it's about fundamentally reshaping how AI contributes to healthcare, moving towards a future of truly intelligent, proactive, and trustworthy digital health companions. This is just the beginning. The potential of active conscious AI in healthcare is immense, and we're excited to be pioneers in this space. Thank you.